It's playtime. They're learning to wrestle. There's the monsters. Oh my goodness. Hey, Braveheart. Hey, sweet babies. Look at that face. I was in there playing with them. Putting them into that tunnel. They love this tunnel. They're waiting, trying to get back in by themselves. They're so cute. Here's Raven. Hi, Raven. There's Ash. Call Gary if you're interested. 770-886-2401. 770-886-2401. The one with the little black mask there, his name is Braveheart. He was the first one to venture out of the kennel. Thank you. What a mess.